Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with a pesky plant called Creeping Charlie in your lawn or garden, you're not alone. This common weed can be a real nuisance. But don't worry, today we're going to tackle how to get rid of Creeping Charlie effectively and safely. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. Let's dive right in. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Identify Creeping Charlie. The first thing you want to do is identify the Creeping Charlie. It has heart-shaped leaves and produces small, purple flowers. Trust me, you want to make sure you're targeting the right weed. Step 2. Choose the right time. Timing is crucial. The best time to deal with Creeping Charlie is in the late spring or early fall when the weed is actively growing. Studies from the University of Maryland recommend this as the optimum time for weed control. Step 3. Put on protective gear. Always remember, safety first. Put on your gardening gloves to protect your hands, especially if you're using any chemicals. Step 4. Physical removal. Now, you can start by physically removing the weed. Use your hand trowel to gently dig around the base, making sure you get as much of the root system as possible. University of Minnesota experts say this is a crucial step for effective control. Step 5. Apply herbicide. If you find that physical removal isn't doing the trick, you can use a specialized herbicide. Make sure to read and follow all the instructions on the label. Fill your garden sprayer and apply it evenly over the Creeping Charlie. Step 6. Borax method. Another method to try is using borax, which is sodium borate. In a watering can, mix 10 ounces of borax with 2.5 gallons of water and apply it over the weed. Researchers at Iowa State University found that borax can be effective, but caution not to overuse it, as it can harm your other plants. Step 7. Aerate your lawn. After you've removed the Creeping Charlie, aerate your lawn. Use a lawn aerator for this. It helps the soil absorb nutrients better, making it harder for weeds to grow. Step 8. Fertilize. The last step in our method is to fertilize your lawn with a product suitable for your grass type. Healthy grass is the best defense against any weeds. Step 9. Regular monitoring. Regularly monitor your lawn. If you see Creeping Charlie coming back, don't hesitate to repeat these steps. A study from Purdue University suggests that persistence is key in weed management. There you have it, folks. Those are your steps to get rid of Creeping Charlie. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends, and leave us a comment. Until next time, happy gardening!